Yay! Merry Christmas! All my best wishes of peace, happiness, love, success, and longevity to you and your family. Thank you so much for trusting and supporting our channel all year long. Now let me say in Lingala. Eyenga lamu ya Noele. Natombeli yo nalibota na yo kimia esengo bolingo elonga pe bowumela na mokili. Today we're going to talk about Christmas vocabulary in Lingala. Christmas vocabulary in Lingala. Christmas means eyenga elamu ya Noele. Christmas alone means Noele. Angel means angelou. Angelou. Jesus Christ is Yesu Kristo. Yesu Kristo. Maria means Maria, mama wa Yesu. Maria, mama wa Yesu. Joseph means Yosefu. Yosefu tata wa Yesu. Star in Lingala means monzoto, that's singular. If we have two or many, that's minzoto, plural. Minzoto. Santa Claus is Tata Noele. Tata Noele. Bell in Lingala means ngonga. Ngonga. Snowman is moto ya neige. Moto ya neige. Candle is buzi. Buzi. Christmas tree is nzete ya Noele. Nzete ya Noele. Christmas hat is ekoti ya Noele. Ekoti ya Noele. Christmas stocking is soseti ya Noele. Soseti ya Noele. Candy cane in Lingala is nzete ya sukali. Nzete ya sukali. Christmas present is likabo ya Noele. If you have one present. If you have two or more, we say makabo ya Noele. Makabo ya Noele. Likabo ya Noele is one. Two or more is makabo ya Noele. Christmas light. Mwinda ya Noele. Mwinda ya Noele. Christmas crown. Motole ya Noele. Motole ya Noele.
wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good time.
Again, Merry Christmas to you all. Please subscribe and ring the bell so you get a notification whenever we put a new video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please comment and share this video with your friends and your family. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any future video. If you have any question, please comment below or send us a message on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter by typing Lingala Academy. Lingala Academy. You can also follow us on Snapchat by typing The Love Gracias. The Love Gracias. Thank you and see you next time.